Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Jura Impressa S9 with us in the shop. This machine had came in for one issue, mainly being that when you turn on the machine, it would actually have an error number 4, and that's usually, if I could pull the original one, this thermal sensor that goes on one of your heating blocks, as you can see right here. Now this one is quite tedious to replace. It's located in the back, but you do have to remove first the lid, side panel, another side panel on the back, and then you have to quite literally take out the entire tray full of electronics and stuff like that. It takes a few hosing off and situate the machine back into place. But after replacing it, and as you can see, turning it on, we are now in the brewing section. And so we're just going to brew a quick drink just to show that it is working properly. Double espresso. And yeah, if you ever have issues like this or just specific error code issues, it won't actually allow you to even get to the brewing section, this being one of them. And so you definitely want to fix these issues when they do arise, because again, your machine doesn't, you can't brew any coffee with the machine. So we're gonna wait for it to start brewing. There you go. Now, we didn't do any sort of cleaning to this machine. We did offer it. I recommend going in there and re-cleaning everything because it was quite full of grounds. Even when I took off the lid, the side panels was full of coffee grounds, so I did vacuum a lot of it up. But I do recommend at some point getting the inside service because it's just, there's quite a lot of coffee everywhere. And so, yeah. So we're going to turn that off just because we don't want it to overspill, but as you can see, it brewed a decent shot. Alrighty, now we are going to do, if I'm not mistaken, this is hot water. Yep. That should come out of there, as you can see. There's your hot water for you. Turn that off. And then we can do, I believe this is steam. Cool. And there you have it. That's all for this video. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.